Hello guys, I'm mester.mechanic and I'm here with another video on my YouTube channel. In this video we're going to design this 3D model in SolidWorks, and here we have the dimensions. This is the front view of the model and this is the right view, and we'll get help from these dimensions to design this 3D model. Before getting started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments. Your subscription and your comments giving me more energy to upload more videos on my YouTube channel. So let's get started as soon as possible. Here we have the dimensions, and firstly I have to close the model. For closing the model, just come here and click on close. Now I have to make a new part. For making a new part in SolidWorks, just come here and click on new part. Okay, now we have a new part. I'm going to draw the sketch of front view, then we will extrude the sketch. So for drawing the sketch, we have to choose a plane. At first it doesn't matter which plane you choose. Before getting started designing, it doesn't matter which plane you choose, but I suggest you to choose the front plane. So click on the front plane and click on the sketch. Now we have an open sketch on the front plane. I'm going to draw this side of the model, and then we will mirror this side of the model to this side of the center line. So here I have to choose center line. I'm going to draw a vertical center line here, and I right click and select, and here I have to draw a horizontal line. So I choose line and I start drawing line from this point. I draw a horizontal line, and here I choose 3-point arc and I draw an arc, and again I choose line, I draw a vertical line. So I'm going to draw these lines and a horizontal line, and here I choose a 3-point arc. So here I draw arc, so the center of the arc must be this side of the sketch. If you can't see the dimensions or the relations, click on hide and show items and you can turn on or turn off the sketch view relations or the dimensions. Here I choose line and draw a vertical line, and the line here, so vertical line, sorry, and the line here, and horizontal line, and I right click and select. This line is not horizontal. You can see we can't see the horizontal relation, so I click on this line and in add relation give it horizontal relation. The arcs here must be tangents to their lines, so here I hold the control button and I choose this arc and this line, and I give it tangent relation. This line, and in add relation give it tangent relation, and I do the same thing here, tangent relation, and here tangent relation, and this one tangent relation. Now you have to mirror these lines to this side of the center line. So here I choose mirror entities, and in mirror about I choose this center line. Here I choose entities to mirror, and choose these lines and arcs, and here turn on copy, and here click on OK. I think we should turn off the sketch view relations. So here come to hide and show items and turn off the relations, so it's much easier to see the sketch. Here choose a smart dimension. The dimension of this line is 30 millimeter, and the dimension from this point to the point here is 70 millimeter, and the radius of this arc is 5 millimeter, and the radius of this arc is 10 millimeter. So let me move the sketch a little bit. Yes, here choose a smart dimension. The dimension from this point to the point here is 15 millimeter. Our sketch is becoming full defined, but the sketch is not still full defined because the sketch is still moving and the lines here are still blue. So I have to keep applying the dimensions. The dimension from this point to the point here is 20 millimeter. And here I choose, I have to draw a circle here. So you can see here we have a circle. Here choose 2-point circle and draw a circle here, and right click and select. Here choose a smart dimension. The dimension of this circle is 10 millimeter. And here choose mirror entities and choose this circle, and in mirror about choose the center line, and you have to mirror this circle to this side of the center line. Yes. And here choose a smart dimension. the dimension from this point to the point here to the center of the circle is 30 millimeter, and the dimension from this point to this point is 40 millimeter. The sketch is not still fully defined because it is still moving. Yes, here choose a smart dimension. The dimension from this point to the point here is 30 millimeter. And the sketch is not still fully defined because the circles are moving. You can see the circles are moving, and we have to give it a dimension. The dimension from this point to this point is 50 millimeter. You can see the sketch is fully defined, everything is black, and the sketch is not moving. Now we have to extrude the sketch. Here come to the feature. If you don't have the feature tab, you can simply right click and turn on or turn off the feature tab. Here come to the feature and click on extruded boss and base, and in selected contour choose this region and this one, and here must be blind, and we have to extrude the sketch about 5 millimeter. The thickness of the model is 5 millimeter. Don't turn on these two options. We'll go through these options in the other videos. Here must be a sketch plane, yes, and click on OK. Now here we have the model, and all we have to do is just apply a color. So here choose this boss extrude, and here in edit appearance we can change the color. For example, we can change it to green, and we can change the color of the surfaces in models. For example, we can change the color of this surface and this surface, and you have to call the control button to choose the two surfaces. And in edit appearance you can change the color, for example, to the yellow. Yes, and here we are, for example, we can change the color of this surface to purple, and yes, purple. And please practice at home and do it yourself. It was a pretty simple project, and please watch my previous videos. I have uploaded over 60 videos on my YouTube channel about designing. Please watch those videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments. Your subscription, your comments give me more energy to upload more videos on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.